Let's continue with answering the question. Okay, we have discussed concentration, temperature, and pressure on how to increase the amount of hydrogen gas. Now the last one is we can consider whether adding inert gas at constant temperature. Okay, inert gas, it must be adding. Will it have any effect? Means that will it increase the number of hydrogen gas? Okay, let us see. If we add inert gas at constant it's not constant temperature, it's at constant pressure. Okay, so what will happen is constant pressure is that the volume of system will increase and therefore the pressure will decrease. Okay, so if the disturbance is here. So when the pressure decrease, we know that if pressure decrease, in order to get back to equilibrium, we have to increase the pressure. So if we want to increase the pressure, means that we go to more number of moles. So the equilibrium will shift to the right. Okay, so means that we can add inert gas at constant pressure because the equilibrium will shift to the right and more hydrogen will be produced. Okay, so as a conclusion for this question, okay, now this kind of question is they will either ask us to explain the effect, okay, when a disturbance is given, and they will also ask the amount, what happens to the amount, what happens to the equilibrium position. Another one is suggest possible ways to increase the amount of required product or reactant. So when you know that if you want to increase the amount of product, you must shift to the right. Okay, if you want to increase the reactant amount, then must shift to the left. Okay, so that's all for this chapter, the Chatelier principle.